Welcome again to the channel, everyone. Welcome. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston. Here I have some lovely fresh dill, and I'm going to show you how to make a lovely tea with this dill and explaining to you a few health benefits of it. So this same dill, when I was young, I normally pick this. My mom sent me to pick the dill, and dill also help you to relax your muscle, smoothing your muscle, and also it's an excellent pain reliever and good for anti-inflammatory in the body. This also good for arthritis and ear pain and swelling. So it's a one that's all over the world. You can use this to make sauce. You can put this on your fish. You can use this on your potato and different dishes. You can use this in salad. It's very good to eat. Like even in the morning, you take a couple piece and chew it. I'm going to mix this with a bit of lemon. I'm going to have this, so we're going to take it through the process. I have about a cup of water here. I have my water boiling, so I'm just going to put some inside it. Not only that, I'm going to add a piece of lime in this. I'm going to go ahead, put some fresh lime in it and let it boil. So we're going to let this boil for probably about 2 to 3 minutes. So now our tea is ready. So now I'm going to strain it off. So now this is personal preference. We're going to get our desired teacup, and I'm going to put a little bit of honey in this. The reason why I put the honey first is for it to melt while the hot tea go over it, and it's personal preference. You don't have to. Give him a bit of stir. And if you feel like, just put a couple pieces of fresh dill in this, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you do find value in this content, please do consider to like, share, subscribe. Do leave a positive comment. Ladies and gentlemen, peace be.